Sound the alarm, Moon Boys. Sound the alarm, because the Bitcoin price has just dropped below key critical support. The bears may right now be regaining control, and we need to analyze what could possibly happen here over the next several days and weeks ahead. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know things were looking nice here for the bulls, in my opinion, for a short while. I mean, we started to see indicators change, such as this bullish cross here on the Williams alligator, such as seeing the price action here on the one-day Keltner channels indicator reach the top of the band, such as the true strength indicator seeing a bullish cross here on the one-day time frame as well. And above all else, we did see Bitcoin finally climb to a new local high, right? Something that we had not done for quite some time. But it appears now that the whales have stepped back in. They said, nah, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy. And we were rejected, right, swiftly at the 45K range. Now, as you can see here, I've had this red line drawn on my chart as a possible resistance range. There was a ton of confluence built back inside this range over the past 2 years, and we went up to it, kissed it, and said goodbye. Now, this is what I would consider to be a fake out here. And the reason I'm saying it was a fake out is because this red box range was a serious area of confluence, way more so than this red line up here. So breaking through this red resistance range the first time was truly a bullish factor here, in my opinion. And then on top of that, seeing the price climb to a new local high for the first time in quite some time, things were looking up for the bulls there, in my opinion, but unfortunately they were not able to overcome the next line in the sand. And not only did we get rejected back down to the key critical range, but the range didn't act as anything again, right? On the way up here, we shot right through it. On the way down, we dropped right through it. Very interesting. I mean, it's borderline bizarre that this range here that's had so much confluence in it, just, I mean, look at it. The amount of confluence, the support and resistance flips that have occurred at this range, it's just interesting because we didn't get much of a response inside this range now. I mean, this is the best clear-cut example of past performance does not indicate future results, but I just find it a little bit odd. Let me know in a comment down below if you find that odd, or do you just think it is what it is. Leave me a comment down below. I'm interested to see your opinion. So what does this all mean? Well, for me, with the price action now currently trading below the red box range at the time of recording, and just so you understand, my red box range here is basically from 39,000 up to about 42,000, just so you understand. We're trading below there currently. And right now, all of the indicators that I showed you prior, they were all looking possibly bullish before. Now, take a look at the one-day Keltner channel band. We tapped the top, and we've traded all the way down to the bottom. That's not what I wanted to see. I would have at least liked to see support here at the middle band, where it did try, but it ultimately failed, or at least somewhere just below that. Not all the way at the bottom. When you start to test down to the bottom of the band, that can be a warning sign after a nice bullish move to the upside. Let me just show you an example here, right? Back in 2020 and 2021, we didn't see it touch the bottom of the band on the entire bull run up until all the way back here in April 2021. And you just can't make this stuff up, folks. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. The first time that we touched it for months and months and months on end in this immaculate bull run was right at the tippy top. Let's get this crypto. I mean, it's just unbelievable. We touched it and we plunged into this multi-year now corrective phase for Bitcoin. And I know the Moon Boys, what do you mean corrective phase, Kirby? We went all the way back up to 69,000. Well, really, almost for a full year now, Bitcoin has just been trading sideways. I mean, sure, technically it did go to a new all-time high, but not for very long at all here. And then the majority of the price action since has just continued to be lower than that point. So for me, this has just been basically a 1 year corrective. Call it what you will. It's either a corrective formation or a consolidation from the bulls here before another move to the upside. I'm not saying that that's out of the realm of possibility here, but in my opinion, this has been a very weird continuation for Bitcoin here. And now with the Keltner channel possibly showing some weakness on the daily, with the Williams alligator, which I showed you earlier, and if you are subscribed to this channel, I've shown you that we had the bullish cross here, right, which did amount to essentially a fake out, because now, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. A bearish cross on the one-day Williams alligator, the green line crossing below both the red and the blue, with the price action trading below the bands. Let's get this crypto. We have it. Bearish cross there. If we pull up the true strength indicator, just like we had the fake out here with the turn bullish, the blue line crossing above the red, right, with the price action moving upwards. Now here in the current day, we have the price action moving downwards, dropping below my key critical range of support at about 39,000, and we have a bearish cross here. The blue crossing back down below the red. Both are tilting to the downside, and the price action has been downward spiraling here over the past week and a half. Let's get this crypto. So right now, things are a little wishy-washy, folks. I wish that there were a better report on my end, but for me right now, this range has been super, super volatile. If we zoom in here on the 1 hour time frame, I just want to give you guys an idea of what I mean by that. You can see here that in just several hours, Bitcoin had dropped almost 6% down, to then only several hours later going all the way back up for about 6% to the upside. And what this means to me is that this current range that we are trading in right here, right now, is being dominated, absolutely decimated by bots and algorithms that are just chewing traders up and spitting them right back out. For me right now, ladies and gentlemen, that is what is making this range so difficult. Now, at this point, I'm just going to continue to analyze the trend day by day, hour by hour, as right now we are seeing a shift here. Now, is this going to be another fake out to the downside? It's possible. In my opinion, the probability actually for that to happen right now is increased because of the fact that we're seeing so much whipsaw and volatility and chop here, right? We had a fake out up here. This whole range, in my opinion, is one big mess. Everything right now is a mess. You're having indicators flip-flop. You're having supports and resistances not be respected. Some are being respected. It's a mess in here, ladies and gentlemen, right? So right now, what I'm trying to do is await for more clear signals to present themselves on these charts to give me what I perceive to be a better edge over this market to potentially crush it and get this crypto. So listen, if you're not already in my VIP, that's where I post all of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time strategy ideas, real-time entry ideas, real-time potential take profit ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you're not already in my VIP and you'd like access to all of that exclusive real-time content, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, ladies and gentlemen, do not miss my next VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. And to wrap things up here, if we are to see the Bitcoin price rebound up into my red box range, which again is between 39,000 and 42,000, if we are to see a rise back up into that range, I am personally speculating that there could be some bearish resistance to come in around this range. And if we do see Bitcoin get rejected and ultimately fall down to a new local low, also taking into consideration the other indicators that we've now seen flip bearish on the one-day time frame, that scenario to me as a whole would be an absolute warning shot fire. Just is what it is. And at that point, we would truly have to start considering a target range, in my opinion, of down between 31,000 and 28,000. And if that were to break, obviously we could speculate all day upon prices much lower down in the trend, but we don't have enough data at this time to suggest anything like that is going to happen, in my opinion. We're going to take this day by day, hour by hour on this channel. If you're not already subscribed here, make sure you hit the thumbs up for the algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up on the video. And then make sure that you hit the subscribe button, then tick the bell, and then select all. That will give you the notification next time I upload. Welcome to the channel. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I am preparing to potentially strike gold again here inside this market. I will continue to keep you up to date with everything exclusively in VIP. If you're not already in VIP, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Now, for everybody else here, the best thing you can do, in my opinion, is have a plan for yourself. Because as I showed you earlier, the volatility in this space right now is heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me. So think about it from both perspectives. What are you going to do if the price moves up? What are you going to do if the price moves down? Think ahead. You have to try and stay one step. At least 2 steps ahead of every other trader, bot, analyst, and algorithm inside this market if you're planning to potentially crush it and get this crypto. So have a plan for yourself, because if you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. Let me repeat that one more time for the moon boys in the back. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, you know the Don does not plan to fail. In fact, the Don plans to succeed. So on that note, I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.